Installing a Rockies 3-inch motor kit. Tools required: drill, 5/16 drill bit, 5/16 hex head driver bit, Phillips driver bit, rubber mallet, measuring tape and pencil, wrench set. Rockies 3-inch motor kit consists of a motor, lock pin, 3 screws, charging cable, and a programmable remote. Remove the 2 tech screws that hold the tube onto the hub. Then remove the anchor bolt from the pool deck and slide the reel out of the tube. Using a 1/2-inch wrench, remove the bolt that holds the handle in place. Remove the handle, hub, bushing, and plastic washer from the frame. Now you will need to lay out where you will drill a hole for the lock pin to pass through the frame. Measure 1 inch from the top of the frame and make a mark. Next, measure 1 inch from the front, solid side of the frame and make a second mark. Flip the frame over and repeat the same measurements for the other side. Using a 5/16 drill bit, drill a hole on each mark. Pass the drill bit through both holes to make sure they line up. Put the bushing in and drill straight through it. This will ensure the lock pin will pass through when the holes are aligned. Slide the motor into the bushing and frame. Make sure the control button is facing up and the hole in the motor lines up with your holes on the frame. Then, put the plastic washer on, followed by the handle. Then secure it using the handle bolt. It will need to be tightened down till the handle is almost flush with the plastic washer. Using your 5/16 drill bit, drill through the whole assembly to make sure the hole is clear. Your lock pin should slide through freely. Now take the whole assembly apart. Lay out 3 marks on the tube at 30 and 13/16. We recommend using 3 of the sides with the grooves on them. Using a 1/8 drill bit, drill on your 3 marks. These holes will be where the motor mounts to your reel. Slide your motor into the tube. If there are any straps mounted in the first 3 feet of your tube, they will need to be removed so the motor can slide past them. Slide the motor in as far as it will go. Using the 3 Phillips head screws provided with the motor, secure the motor to your tube. Once the motor is secure, you can reattach your straps. Reassemble the end unit using the bushing, frame, plastic washer, and handle. Secure them all using the end handle bolt. Insert the lock pin so that the motor doesn't slip when operating. The pin can be removed to operate the reel manually. Insert the anchor bolt and anchor it as you would normally. Your motor is now ready to use. Push the button once to turn it on. It will make a slight movement and stop to show it is on. After the short movement, press the button again to run the motor. If it is going in the wrong direction, press the button twice and it will reverse. After 10 minutes of not being used, the motor will go into standby mode and you will have to press the button to turn it on again. It will make a slight movement to show that it is on. Press the button once to turn off the motor. Check out our other instructional videos to learn how to program your remote.